So, is your Instagram app lagging behind while scrolling the feed? If yes, so you clicked on the right video. So, there's not a specific reason why this might happen with you. So, in this video, I am going to talk about several ways by which you can fix this issue. So, let's get started. So, the first way by which you can fix this issue is by force stopping the app and relaunching it. So, I am going to show you how to do it. First of all, select the app and go to app information. After going to app information, click on the force stop button and force stop the app. Now close this and open your app again. So this might fix your issue. Now another reason why this problem might happen with you is the power saving mode of your phone must be on. So you have to switch it off. So go to your notification panel and find the power saving button. Now turn it off. I hope this helps. So let's now talk about the third way by which you can fix this issue. To do this, you have to go to the app settings. So open Instagram, go to the settings panel, and after going to this, go to account. Now find cellular data use. Now open this cellular data use, click on high resolution media and click on never. So after doing this, your problem might be fixed. So now another reason why this problem might be happening with you is slow internet. So try connecting to a fast internet. And the another way to fix it is by clearing the cache files. So go to the app information again, and here you can see the storage one. So click on this, and here you see cache. So it's 798 MB. So click on clear cache. After this, your app will run fine. If your problem is still not fixed, so you might need to update the app. To do this, you have to go to Play Store, open Play Store and search Instagram. So if you have not updated the app, here you see the open button. So here an update button will come. So try to update the app and launch it. After doing all of these, your problem should be fixed. But if still it is not fixed, then try to clear some space from your phone. So this might happen due to the excessive storage in your phone, which might slow your phone down. After clearing some space, still your problem is not solved, so then uninstall the app and reinstall it. I hope this was helpful for you and fixed your problem. So thank you for watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video if this was helpful to you. Goodbye.